check out our GeekyScript.com website. Here you can search with any tutorial you want. Let's say Node, hit search, and you can see Node.js Basic, Express.js, and all these tutorials are available. So you can click any of the tutorial link and you can immediately start learning and complete this entire course, you can see. And once when you are done with this, you are happy and you are ready, you can check our quiz as well. So you can take this quiz and you will be able to know your progress as well, like how much you actually learned, along with detailed explanation is also there. And if you're interested on data structure and algorithm, you can see we have all these different sorting techniques like live visualization you are going to get. Like for example, this is quick sort, so I'll just simply hit the play button and you can see the sorting, how the quick sort is actually happens. You can see that is showing up over here. You can increase the speed, that exact visualization you can see. Same way you can go and check circular queue or DQ, all of that, for completely free on our website. You can see all these different data structures are available. So go to our GeekyScript.com and check out all these different tutorials and our interactive labs. I'm definitely sure you're going to love them.